Take two. It's a sunset, I guess. It's already 7 p.m. 1900 something, past 1900, past 7 p.m. and the sun is still up, and it's summertime. So this part of the world, the northern hemisphere area, like here, Faroe Islands, Iceland, that part, have longer days. The sun is up until 2300 or 11 p.m., something like that. So this whole midnight sun thing is real, but it's kind of a pain because it's hard to sleep sometimes when you have the whole midnight, the sun just up in the air the whole entire time. So it's been interesting, and it's also been weird because I wake up and the sun is still there. So, but yeah,